Hello guys, it's Ayat here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Sarah Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is the most popular phone right now because the iPhone 13, and it doesn't come with any headphones or charger, just the phone, and and so let's just get started unboxing it. And there's one underneath here. Whoa. And then, whoa, it's a blue, but we call it Sarah Blue. I hope I don't bang it. Whoa. This blue is such an awesome color. Let's take this off. Whoa. Let's put that on the side. That's okay. But it does come with a charger. Nothing else comes with it. So let's just take these aside. And guys, this feels so awesome. And guys, let's just try turning it on. I'm pressing this button. Oh, it's turning on! I'm so excited. Let's just wait for it to turn on properly. Oh, it said hello. I don't know what that said. It's saying different languages. You can see that we unboxed it. Oh, it's a pretty good color and a pretty good iPhone 13 Pro Max. So our next vlog will be with this phone, not with the phone we have called Samsung. We're gonna be vlogging with this phone at the next video. So yeah, and guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video and comment, of course. But bye!